Dear student, in this previous lecture, we discussed about modular division and additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. In this lecture, we discuss the extended Euclidean algorithm and how find the multiplicative inverse of v in z suffix n when n and b are given and GCD of n comma b equal to 1. So the multiplicative inverse of b is the value of t after being mapped to z suffix n. For using the extended Euclidean algorithm to find multiplicative inverse like that, algorithm of Euclidean is given this value of n store in R1 and value of b store in R2, 0 store value T1 and T2 store the value 1. While R2 greater than 0, जब तक R2 की वैल्यू 0 से बड़ी है, then Q calculate R1 by R2. Value of R store R1 minus Q into R2. R2 value stored in R1 and R value stored in R2. Similarly, T calculated by T1 minus Q into T2. T2 value stored in T1 and T value stored in T2. If R1 equal to 1, then B inverse is also T1. This is the algorithm. And process of this algorithm like that, R1 equal to N, R2 equal to P. N comma B is given. So remainder is stored in R. The value of R stored in R2 and B stored in R1. Process is continue till remainder equal to 0. So GCD N comma B equal to R1. Similarly, T1 equal to 0, T2 equal to 1. We calculate the value of T. After calculating the value of T, T value is stored in T2 and T2 value is stored in T1. The process continue. So T value is stored T2 and T2 is stored in T1. If R1 equal to 1, B inverse equal to T. This is the process of Euclidean algorithm. Now, the process of Euclidean algorithm explained with the help of example. Suppose, find the multiplicative inverse of 11 in Z26. So, value of R1 equal to 26 and value of R2 equal to 11. Value of R1 equal to N, R2 equal to V. So, R1 वैल्यू क्या हो गई आपकी 26 and R2 स्टोर कर दिया वैल्यू ऑफ 11. This is 11, this is N R1. And 11 divided to 26. 26 divided by 11. So 11 2s are 22. So remainder is stored in 4. Now 4 is stored in R2 or 11 stored in this. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 3. So value of R is stored in R2 place and 4 is stored in R1 place. 3 1s are 3. Remainder 1. 1 is stored this place. 3 stored this place. 1 3s are. Remainder is 0. 1 3s are this. Value R2 store of this R1 position and R store 0. So the GCD of 26 comma 11 is equal to 1. Then inverse of 11 calculated in this place. T1 initialize 0, T2 initialize 1, T is calculated by formula of T equal to T1 minus Q into T2. T equal to T1 minus 0 minus Q equal to T2. Q value 2 है, T2 की वैल्यू 1 -2, -2 store in T2 place, T2 store in T1 place. Now remember quotient equal to 2, calculated here T equal to T1 minus T2 into Q. तो T1 क्या है आपका यहाँ पे 1 माइनस T2 2, 2 is 4 equal to 5. 5 store up T2 minus 2 store up 2. Next calculate value of T equal to T1 value of -2 minus 5 into 1 equal to -7. So -7 store in T2 and or 5 store in T1 place. Quotient equal to 3. So value of T5 minus or minus value is 7 3 is 21, 21 minus minus plus is the 26. 26 store in T2 and T2 store in -7. So inverse 11 is -7 or 90. So inverse of 11 is possible -7 or 19. So multiplicative inverse calculate with the help of Euclidean algorithm. Now another example of the multiplicative inverse calculation with the help of Euclidean algorithm. 23 in Z100, n वैल्यू यहाँ पे 100 गिवन है, z b की वैल्यू 23 गिवन है. So R1 store the value of 100, R2 store 23. 23 divided 100 divided by 23, quotient equal to 4, remainder equal to 8. 8 place this position and 23 this 8 2 ja and remainder 7. 7 shifted in R2 position, 8 shifted this 7 1 ja, remainder 1. 1 place this 1 7 ja and remainder 0. तो यहाँ पे आपका stop. Similarly T1 equal to 0, T2 initialize 1, calculate value T equal to T1 minus 2 times T2. So T1 0 minus T1 times 4 into 1 minus 4. Minus 4 shifted T2 place and 1 is shifted in T1 place. Next calculation of value of T equal to 1 minus plus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 9 आना चाहिए, यहाँ पे आएगा 9. 9 shifted in this place T2 and minus 4 place this. So calculate value of T. T1 minus 4 minus 9 1 ja 13. 13 shifted this, 19 shifted this. Calculate the value of this. 9 minus 37 ja, so 100. So inverse of GCD 123 is 1. The inverse of 23 is minus 13 and 87. Next example, inverse of 12 in Z26. So inverse of 12 in Z26 calculated by Euclidean algorithm. R1 is 26, R2 is 12, remainder is 2, remainder is 0. So 26 comma 12, 26 comma 12 is 2. The inverse does not exist. अगर GCD 1 नहीं आ रहा है तो inverse not exist. Addition and multiplication table. Addition table Z10 means we find while addition after modular division of 10 equal to 0. Like that. And multiplication table Z10, find 1, that is मल्टीप्लिकेशन इनवर्स। तो एग्जाम्पल की तरफ यहाँ चेक कर रहे हैं, सपोज करिए यहाँ पे ले लें 9+1 मॉड 10 इक्वल टू 0, 9+2 11 का मॉड 10 1, 9+3 12 का मॉडल डिवीजन 10 2, तो सिमिलर चलता रहेगा। सिमिलरली यहाँ पे 9 9 जा 81 मॉडल डिवीजन 10 इक्वल टू 1, so this is the additive inverse. The integer a in Zn have an multiplicative inverse if GCD n comma a congruent 1 mod n. In cryptography, we often work with multiplicative inverse. Zn cannot be used as all the number of Zn don't have multiplicative. The subset of Zn that contain only those member of Zn which have a multiplicative inverse, that is which contain those member which are relative prime to n is denoted by Zn star. This is the properties of Zn. Example: suppose Z6 set of the Z6 equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So relative prime is Z6 equal to 1, 5, because the factor of 6, 2 also is the factor of 6, 3 is also factor of 6, 4, 2 2s are 4, and 2 3 ja 2 is the common, 1 comma 5 is not common, so Z6 is the 1 comma 5. Z6 आपको according to definition we need to use Zn star when multiplication are needed. Additive inverse we need to use Zn star when multiplications are needed. जिनका GCD 1 आ रहा है, कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, तो Z6 में आए। सपोज कि Z7 आपका 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 दिया है, Z7 7 के मल्टीप्लीकेशन 1 इंटू 7 पॉसिबल है, तो इसमें देखिए Z7 में क्या आएगा इनवर्स, 1 तो रहेगा कॉमन होगा, 2 3 4 5 6 ऑल आ गए, 1 2 3 4 0 को छोड़, तो ये आपका Z7 हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लीकेटिव इनवर्स। सिमिलर Z इक्वल टू 10 0 टू 10 गिवन है, 9 गिवन है, Z10 है, 10 के फैक्टर 2 5 जा, तो 2 नहीं आएगा 5 नहीं आएगा, 2 हट गया, 1 कॉमा 3 4 नहीं आएगा, 2 दूसरा फैक्टर होता है, 5 नहीं आएगा 5 फैक्टर होता है, 6 नहीं आएगा क्योंकि 3 दूसरा होता है, 7 आएगा 8 नहीं आएगा, 9 आएगा तो 3 3 जा, तो इसलिए 1 3 7 9 इज नॉट कॉमन फैक्टर विद Z10. दिस इज इनवर्स multiplicative inverse of Zn equal to Z star. Then cryptography often use two more sets, Zp and Zp star. The modules these two set is a prime number. Z13. Suppose Z13 0 1 2 36 12 given. 13 का मल्टीप्लेक्टर केवल 13 इंटू 1 होता है, तो इसका सेट अगर हम फाइंड करें, मॉड्यूलर टू प्राइम नंबर फाइंड करें, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 all number is the prime number because no factor is common with 13. मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन Z7 की बात करें, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स निकालें, तो कैसे निकालेंगे, सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, सपोज के 1 कॉमा 1 1 ही आएगा, 1 कॉमा 6 6 आएगा। यहाँ पे एग्जांपल लिया, 4 2 जा 8 मॉडल डिवीजन 7 रिमाइंडर 1 देयर वर मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स, 3 5 जा 15 7 मॉडल डिवीजन 7 रिमाइंडर 1, दिस इज मल्टीप्लिकेटिव, तो इस तरह से मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स पॉसिबल है। दिस इज असाइनमेंट फॉर यू, we check in the next lecture. Thank you.